Check it out. First, import your video file. Then add your music video to the timeline. And import these music video presets. Then select presets and click on Open Now. You'll see this music video presets, and here you'll get 5 different types of presets. Now, let's see how to use these presets. So first, add your music video to the timeline. Then you need to look at the audio waveform properly, find where music beating. Now, cut your footage from the beating start to the end point. And do it continuously. Okay, I'm okay with it. Now we need to apply these presets to the cut footages. Okay, now let's see the preview. Wow, it looks so cool. Again, play now without presets. Let's see our RGB shake effects. Play now RGB shake effects.